I write a letter.
Change into negative.
Negative. I do not write a letter.
Interrogative.
Do I write a letter?
Change into passive.
A letter is written by me.
Change into this sentence in past simple.
Past simple.
I write a letter. I wrote a letter. Change into future simple.
I will write the letter.
I will write a letter. Change into passive.
I will write a letter. A letter will be written by me.
Letter is written by my mother. A letter is written by my mother.
एक पत्र मेरी मम्मी के द्वारा पत्र लिखा जाता है,
But I was busy.
पर मैं व्यस्त था।
Do you know?
तुम जानते हो?
I should be there.
मुझे वहाँ होना चाहिए।
And I must be there.
मुझे वहाँ होना ही चाहिए।
Because I am able to speak English. Because I am able to speak English.
क्योंकि मैं इंग्लिश बोलने के योग्य हूँ।
Do you know?
क्या तुम जानते हो?
They are invited by them. They are invited by them.
उन्हें उनके द्वारा बुलाया जाता है।
But I was busy.
पर मैं व्यस्त था।
I can try to speak English.
मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने का प्रयास कर सकता हूँ।
But I could not do practice.
पर मैं प्रयास नहीं कर सका।
Very good. I would like to ask you some questions. Okay? And you will make passive sentence. I take tea.
Tea is taken by me.
Okay. I took tea.
Tea was taken by me.
I will take tea.
Tea will be taken by me.
Very good. I am not going. नहीं, how to translate Hindi? I am not going.
मैं नहीं जा रहा।
Am I going?
क्या मैं जा रहा हूँ?
Are you going?
क्या तुम जा रहे हो?
Do you go?
क्या तुम
जाते
जाते हो?
Did you go?
क्या तुम गए थे?
Will you go?
क्या तुम जाओगे?
Why will you go?
तुम क्यों जाओगे?
How will you go?
तुम कैसे जाओगे?
Where will you go?
तुम कहाँ जाओगे?
Do you know?
क्या तुम जानते हो?
मैं सुबह से व्यस्त हूँ.
I have been busy since morning.
Very good. Sit down. I was there, so I couldn't come here. दरअसल
मैं वहाँ था इसलिए मैं नहीं आया।
आ सका. I think I should be there.
I should be there. मुझे वहाँ होना चाहिए।
Okay. I must be there.
मुझे वहाँ होना ही चाहिए।
Okay. I want to go there.
मुझे वहाँ I want to go there. मैं वहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ।
Do you know?
क्या तुम जानते हो?
I have been busy since morning
मैं सुबह से व्यस्त हूँ
because I have some work.
क्योंकि मेरे पास कुछ काम था।
Do you know?
क्या तुम जानते
Who
हो?
am I?
मैं कौन हूँ?
Who was I?
मैं कौन था?
Do you know?
क्या तुम जानते हो?
English is spoken in India
अंग्रेजी भारत में बोली जाती है।
and we are taught by Pradeep sir.
हम सब प्रदीप सर के द्वारा पढ़ाए जाते हैं।
Okay. And but my friend does not speak.
पर मेरा दोस्त नहीं बोलता है।
I think he should speak.
मैं सोचता हूँ उसे बोलना चाहिए।
He must speak.
उसे बोलना ही चाहिए।
He needs to speak.
उसे बोलने की जरूरत है।
Okay. Do you know?
क्या तुम जानते हो?
I was invited by them. I was invited by them. मैं उनके द्वारा आमंत्रित
किया
गया. Okay. You will be invited.
तुम्हें आमंत्रित
किया
जाएगा।
You are being invited.
तुम्हें आमंत्रित